Listen, you wasn't even gonna go to jail in the first place, man. Did you realize that?
They were gonna take me to jail.
On August 4th, 2022, just after 2 a.m., officers pulled over a jittery driver and her restless passenger.
How you doing?
Hey, doing fine.
Officer Green, Northfield Police Department. The reason I pulled you over, you didn't use your blinker turning right here on this road, right?
Well, this one here works, and that one has just quit.
Okay.
And I'm from Hartford, and my son lives here, and I come over here to take him to the hospital.
Because he was shot with a shotgun in his knee.
And his knee is got green sitting in
I'm
it.
telling you, it has a metal plate, and it's
And I can't find the hospital.
Okay.
We can't find the hospital, so we were just trying to find.
But this is my insurance.
Okay.
And my registration. Hang on.
If you don't believe us, you can look for Charles in Dothan.
Okay, you got your driver's license on
I
you?
sure do.
Donson, what is it called?
I think that's it.
Hospital. Charles Lynn.
Yeah, I think that's it.
What is this you're handing me?
That's the registration, and that's the insurance. I think.
Okay.
And my driver's license. I'm not from here, and let me tell you.
Okay. All right, hang tight. I'll be right back with you.
Oh Lord, my car's running hot.
Sweating, boy.
Saying that's our son, that one that was up there in the wheelchair.
But I come over here to take him to the hospital.
Where was he at when he got shot?
In Hartford.
Dothan, Alabama.
Why'd y'all bring him way over here?
He moved over here with his dad. Charles. Y'all probably know him. He lives out on the lake. I cannot drive good at night. But it's not pouring out.
I'm gonna ask you if you got anything in the car that ain't supposed to be in there.
No, sir.
You mind if I take a search through the car? You don't mind?
No.
Are you saying I can or I can't?
You can.
Okay.
Yeah. I ain't got nothing you got worried about.
You hold it for me? Huh? Yeah, you got.
What's something to do?
I was gonna ask you to hold that, but I'll sit it right there. Yeah, you can help me.
I thought it did.
Right here?
You just leave it off. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
This is a toolbox.
You can leave it in the car, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, you can just leave everything. Step back here, man.
But
Sorry,
like I said, I brought him over here.
My bad.
And
All right, just
this
step back here with him.
This happened. Or his sister. He said, when I get home.
What's in this?
Huh?
I said, what's in this?
Salt. That's salt. My salt. Yeah.
Okay.
Always keep salt with me.
What's all these different pills?
Those.
I ain't gonna dump them out in your hand. Just what are they?
Those are Aleve, and those right there are ibuprofen. Those are ibuprofen. But anyway, okay. I'm on my way. So that's what I done. I went, and here I come. There I come.
What would that be right here? That'd be salt too?
Yes, that's salt.
Why is it in here?
I don't know. I don't know. I guess it's salt.
Yeah, that's a strange way to have salt.
I don't know.
Your car?
Yes, sir.
It's in your car.
All right, do me a favor. Go back there.
Stand over here with her, please.
Okay.
No, I know it ain't salt.
Like that, look like that.
No, of course it ain't.
Give it a
No, it ain't her son's. It's hers.
Oh.
It's in her wallet with her cards in there with her name on it. So
But he put that stuff in my yard.
Don't ask her any more questions. You don't ask her in front of her.
I got you.
Read her around.
Thinking that whenever
See ya.
You want to test it?
Yeah, I ain't got a tip.
I got some.
that's exactly.
Can I run phone real quick so I can call my babysitter and just let her know that I'm stuck on the side of the road?
No, you can do that afterwards. It's all
Oh
right.
my God. You know what stuff on me? Okay.
That's my purse there if you want to go through all
I
that.
can't.
Oh, I am.
Okay.
Yeah, I am.
You can just dump it out if you want to.
I'm just looking at his bathroom. That's all.
Dump it out and see it.
Yeah, but for not allowing me to call my children that are 14 and friggin' 15, and then I have them watching their 9-year-old brother. If I can't call them and let them know, you're right. But it's that
You're already not there.
they're already 14 and my oldest is 20, so I mean it's not against the law.
Now, what was that threat you was making a while ago?
About what?
About
I
you wanted
said
our badge
I didn't know that they.
You
No,
was
I
gonna get a lawyer and all that.
no, my uncle's an attorney.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get a lawyer.
I just said, please God, my kids are at home by themselves. I just.
Well, you shouldn't have left them. That's your fault. You're up here making threats to us about doing our job. I don't say that about it. I don't like it. Now, don't call me baby. I ain't your damn baby. I ain't your damn baby.
Blew the meat on it.
Yep. There it is.
All right. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Can I call someone just to let them know?
I'll let her call somebody in a second.
I'm calling them at jail.
Yep. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Oh, watch out that way. Hold just that hand. See how that one swelled up?
All right.
That one right
turn
there's got
around. Okay.
damaged nerves.
All right.
Yeah. Please be careful with that one. Did you lose?
Ma'am, I can fit one finger through that one and one finger through that one. They ain't gonna be comfortable regardless.
I know, but it's swollen up.
I'm sorry. This one right here is looser than that one is. They ain't gonna be comfortable regardless.
Right.
Here, come back here.
But can I get my purse?
No, it can stay right where it is. All right, come back here. Come back here.
I just like to see what they do with my stuff.
They ain't, listen, there ain't nothing, promise you, we're gonna take care of all that.
Well, can you see? Okay.
All right.
Is she going to jail too?
At the moment, no. But this is what I'm gonna do.
Tell her to get my.
She's going to jail now because she just took off running. She's going to jail now.
She just took.
She did.
As officers secured the driver on meth charges, the frantic passenger suddenly bolted, sprinting into the night through the tall grass. After a brief chase, they caught up with the slippery suspect hiding in a bush. Spoiler alert, this wouldn't be her last escape attempt.
They're right through here. Let me just go get them. Bring them to my friend or something, please.
I didn't tell you to move.
I'm not meaning to move. I'm not meaning to. You still, they're way too tight.
They're not tight.
Right now.
You don't want this tie, Kevin?
No.
You don't want this tie? Oh, take out running on foot, huh? This is over in the high grass over there. My radio was falling off. I was trying to catch it.
10-4, we just had one to take off running in foot. We got her in custody.
Well, you
Like
get a 51
patrol car.
right too, 'cause he's gonna
sketches out on bond for giving a false name to law enforcement already. Did y'all search that bag?
Yeah, I did. It's the corner.
Okay. Y'all searched the boots?
Mm-hmm. This bitch just took off running.
Yeah, she dove in that high grass over there too. I'm about to go see if she threw anything.
Mm.
You got that dope in the car?
Yeah, it's up there.
Go ahead and grab you another evidence bag.
Mm.
I'm gonna be a little considerate and even turn you some air on, because you was somewhat cooperative towards.
Should I get something and wipe my face?
What?
Should I wipe my face with spit?
When we get to the jail, you can get a napkin from them, but I ain't got none. If y'all want to take them on, we'll stay and wait for the record.
Simple. 49 Seminole. I'll be en route to the CJ. Starting mileage 55291. 55291. No.
Can I get a paper towel or something? I'm about to burn.
After the driver was secured at the jail, the story should have been over. But remember the slippery passenger? The moment an officer turned his back, she slipped out a patrol car window and made another desperate run for freedom. After a short chase, officers found her hiding under a car and dragged her back into custody.
My kids are not going to be safe.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
What the hell is wrong with you?
My babies are going to be gone. You understand that they don't have a daddy, they don't have nobody, man.
Listen, you wasn't even gonna go to jail in the first place, man. Did you realize that?
They were going to take me to jail. How can you guys let my kids go to jail? I mean, my fucking kids are going to be sent to the state. They have no daddy, they have no grandmas, they have nobody. They won't let me my phone. They won't let me do anything. I can't have no numbers.
You try to run, I will pay you.
I'm not going to run again, okay? I just wanted to get my kids. I would turn myself in tomorrow. I would turn myself in tomorrow.
You're not turning yourself in tomorrow.
No, I know now.
It's time to go now.
I know now.
What is wrong with you?
Baby, that's all I
Listen,
have.
you don't do that. You were not even going to jail. Why would you do that? Don't breathe in my face. Turn around and look at me.
Send me to jail.
Both women were taken to the Seminole County Jail. The driver was charged with possession of methamphetamine and failure to signal, while the slippery passenger faced 4 counts of obstruction and escape after bolting not once, but twice. What do you think? Was her second desperate dash for freedom pure panic or just reckless defiance? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. And as always, stay safe out there.